Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maryum Sajjad with international news around the world. Pakistan likely to receive Moderna COVID-19 vaccine through COVAX. Pakistan is likely to receive Moderna's coronavirus vaccine doses in the coming months through COVAX, the World Health Organization's global shared vaccine program. Chief of Army Staff Bajwa pays visit to German counterpart, discusses regional securities. The Chief of Army Staff, General Qamar Javed Bajwa, has on Friday called on Chief of Defense German Army during an official visit to Germany to discuss mutual cooperation in defense. Saudi Arabia updates entry rules for COVID-positive passengers. Saudi Arabia has updated its entry rules for COVID-positive passengers who will now need to go into institutional quarantine for a period of 10 to 14 days according to the state of their recovery instead of being hospitalized. Oman approves Sputnik V Sinovac for emergency uses. Oman granted emergency use authorization to Russia's Sputnik V and China's Sinovac vaccines, bringing the number of approved COVID-19 shots up to 4. The approval granted as the Sultanate is aiming to vaccinate all target groups within one dose of the COVID-19 shot before the end of August. US, France fear Iran's nuclear activities may advance if talks drag. The United States and France on Friday expressed concerns that Tehran's sensitive atomic activities could advance if talks drag on and warned Tehran that time was running out to revive the 2015 nuclear deal. US President Biden to meet Afghan leaders as last remaining troops prepare to leave. US President Joe Biden will meet Afghan President Ashraf Ghani on Friday to discuss Washington's support for Afghanistan as the last US troops back up after 20 years of war. Indian police investigating fake coronavirus vaccine scams in Kolkata, Mumbai. Indian police said on Friday that around 2,000 people were injected with fake COVID-19 vaccines in Mumbai, and another 500, some of them disabled, may have suffered the same fate in a second major city.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.